Good afternoon, Guinness, and assalamu alaikum to you all. Peace be upon you. We are here at the New Jersey Convention and Exposition Center in Edison, New Jersey, where to my right I am joined by the stewards of this Guinness World Record attempt, and I will introduce them to you. We have Zamir Mirza here. We have Abu Bakr bin Saeed. We have Malik Sutkoi, and we have Abdur Rahim Latif, the tall man in the back. Arif Qureshi here. These will be our stewards. To my left, we have the witnesses. And to my left, we have James Massenberg, who is an affiant for Capital One Bank. We have Rakiba Kibria, who is part of the Why Hunger organization and very well knowledge in this field. And then we have the mayor of this fair city, Edison, New Jersey. We have Mayor Antonia Ristigliano. So without further ado, let's get started on this Guinness World Record, and let's get these 200 gentlemen into this dining hall to start assembling these bags. So let the cameras roll.
Gentlemen, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, begin.
All right, so if you want to go ahead and look around and check it out. After you. You're gonna take it. So right now we're running the clock down because everyone's done. Everyone's done here.
How many seconds left? 30 seconds.
Oh.
30 seconds left. You have to use these watches.
Oh, it's okay.
20 seconds. Stop at 3.
10, say countdown.
10, 9,
9,
8, 7,
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Congratulations, you have broken the world record.
we're standing here with the mayor of Edison, New Jersey, Mayor Ristigliano, and she is about to give a pronouncement to Sadr MKA. So take it away, Mayor.
Thank you, Salam. I would like to congratulate the Ahmadiyya Muslim Youth Organization, the leading Muslim youth organization in the United States, for their breaking of a Guinness World Record. And stop to think of what you have achieved. You've come together, you are serving humanity and having fun while you're doing it, but you're also an inspiration to the young people coming in. And this is what we should all be about. This is how we train our children. We lead by example, and your example has been a wonderful display of what it means to be a leader. I thank you and I congratulate you.
You want to say anything, Sam?
Pardon our passion. We only mean great love, and we direct that at you, our dear mayor, the city of Edison, and this great country that has opened its heart to us and accepted us. And we are very lucky, and this is a very proud moment for us, Majlis Qudam Lamdia. And I just want to thank you from the bottom of our heart. You let us do this. You were a part of this. You talked about great leadership. You came here on your weekend, spent the entire day with us, and we find that very loving and touching. So we thank you, and we really appreciate this.